Have you ever wondered why Manjaro Linux is gaining popularity? In the vast landscape of Linux distributions, Manjaro has been steadily climbing the ranks, turning heads and raising eyebrows. It's not just a random upswing. There are reasons behind this surge, reasons that are driving more and more users to this unique distribution. As we start this exploration, let's keep in mind the well-established giants of the Linux world, Fedora and Ubuntu. Both have been around for a while, each with their own strengths and fan bases. They've been the go-to choice for many, but recently there's been a shift. An increasing number of users are venturing out of their comfort zones, exploring alternatives and finding a new home in Manjaro. What is it about Manjaro that's catching the attention of these users? What makes it stand out in the crowd? In this video, we will delve into what sets Manjaro apart from Fedora and Ubuntu. Every Linux distribution brings something unique to the table, and it's their features that define them. Let's start with Manjaro. As a user-friendly distribution based on the independently developed Arch operating system, Manjaro boasts of speed and efficiency. It's a rolling release, meaning updates are continuous and users don't need to reinstall the entire system with new versions. Manjaro also offers great hardware recognition right out of the box. It's pre-installed with a lot of software that users might need, and its package manager PAMAC is a real gem. Next, we have Fedora. Fedora is a community distribution sponsored by Red Hat, the world's leading provider of open-source solutions. Its main feature is the focus on innovation, integrating the latest technologies and software. Fedora has a strict stance on including only free and open-source software. It's often among the first distros to provide the newest kernel and software updates. Fedora also has a reputation for stability and security, which makes it a favorite among many seasoned Linux users. Finally, Ubuntu. Ubuntu, sponsored by Canonical Limited, is one of the most popular Linux distributions. It's known for its robustness and a wide range of software availability. Ubuntu is great for beginners thanks to its easy-to-use interface and extensive community support. It comes in several flavors to suit different user preferences, with the default Ubuntu running the GNOME desktop environment. Ubuntu also offers long-term support, or LTS versions, which are released every 2 years and receive 5 years of updates. While all three are powerful in their own right, it's clear that they cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you're a beginner just dipping your toes into the world of Linux, a seasoned user looking for stability and cutting-edge features, or someone who values freedom and open-source philosophy, there's a Linux distribution out there for you. Remember, the beauty of Linux lies in its versatility and the freedom it provides to its users. For many users, ease of use is a crucial factor when choosing a Linux distribution. Let's delve into this aspect for Manjaro, Fedora and Ubuntu. Manjaro Linux, with its beginner-friendly design, often wins hearts right off the bat. Its XFCE desktop environment is surprisingly efficient and intuitive, making navigation a breeze, even for those who are new to Linux. The distribution comes with a comprehensive welcome screen, guiding the user through the initial setup and introducing the system's features. Manjaro's software management is also a point in its favor. The Pacman package manager and the PAMAC graphical interface make installing and updating software straightforward and hassle-free. On the other hand, Fedora, while not as beginner-friendly as Manjaro, shines with its GNOME 3 desktop environment, which is clean, modern and user-focused. The DNF package manager is robust and reliable, but it may require a bit of a learning curve for newcomers. However, Fedora's commitment to innovation often means its users get to experience new features before anyone else, which can be a thrilling prospect for the tech enthusiasts among us. Ubuntu, a stalwart of the Linux world, is well known for its user-friendliness. Its Unity desktop, while no longer default, is still available and offers a unique, streamlined user experience. The Ubuntu Software Center, combined with the apt package manager, makes handling software a cinch, even for the most novice users. Plus, Ubuntu's widespread popularity ensures a wealth of tutorials and guides available online, making it a safe and reliable choice for beginners. It's worth noting that all three distributions offer multiple desktop environments to choose from, allowing users to tailor their experience to their liking. In conclusion, each of these Linux distributions has its own strengths when it comes to ease of use. Manjaro's intuitive interface and user-friendly software management, Fedora's innovative approach and clean design, and Ubuntu's proven reliability and wealth of resources all have their place, depending on your level of expertise and what you're comfortable with. One of these distributions may be easier for you to use than the others. Community support is an integral part of any open-source project, and it's no different for Linux distributions. The strength of a community can be measured by its size, the activity level, and the availability of resources like tutorials and forums. So let's delve into these aspects for Manjaro, Fedora, and Ubuntu. Starting with Manjaro, it's a relative newcomer to the Linux scene, but it's been gaining popularity at a rapid pace. This growth is reflected in its community, which is vibrant and active. There's a wealth of information available, from detailed guides for beginners to advanced troubleshooting tips. The Manjaro forums are teeming with enthusiastic users and developers, always ready to lend a hand or share their knowledge. Now onto Fedora. It's a well-established distribution with a strong following. The Fedora community is mature and its members are deeply committed to the project. They contribute to a rich repository of resources, including extensive documentation, tutorials, and a lively forum. Fedora's community is known for its technical expertise, and it's a great place to turn to if you're seeking deep insights into the workings of Linux. Finally, we have Ubuntu. Ubuntu's community is without a doubt one of the largest and most diverse in the world of open-source software. It's a melting pot of users from all walks of life, from absolute beginners to seasoned professionals. This diversity is reflected in the vast range of resources available. There's an answer for almost every query on Ubuntu forums, and if you can't find what you're looking for, there's always someone willing to help. In conclusion, each of these distributions boasts a supportive and active community. Whether you're a beginner seeking guidance, a seasoned user looking for advanced tips, or a developer wanting to contribute, you'll find a welcoming space in these communities. A strong community can make all the difference when you're trying to solve a problem or learn something new. It's not just about finding solutions, it's about learning, sharing, and growing together in the world of Linux. To wrap things up, let's summarize what we've learned about Manjaro, Fedora, and Ubuntu. Each of these Linux distributions offers unique features that cater to different users. Fedora, renowned for its robust security and bleeding-edge software, is often favored by developers and system administrators. Ubuntu, with its user-friendly interface and extensive software repository, is a popular choice for beginners and professionals alike. Then we have Manjaro, a fast-rising star in the Linux world. Known for its simplicity, flexibility, and powerful performance, it is loved by both newcomers and seasoned Linux users. Additionally, each of these distributions has a vibrant community ready to lend a hand when needed. But remember, it's not just about the features. It's about which distribution makes you feel comfortable and enables you to do what you need to do efficiently. Ultimately, the best Linux distribution for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. So which one will you choose?